Let's talk about menstrual cups. Greetings and welcome to Health with Adwo. Thank you so much for being here once again. For those who are new, Akwaba, welcome. My name is Sheila, also known as Adwo. I am a certified nutritionist, a yogi, a caterer, a herbalist, and on this channel I talk about food and nutrition, yoga, natural remedies, lifestyle blogs, and more. So at the end of this video, if you like what you see and would like to see more content like this from me in the future, don't forget to join the family by subscribing as well as turning the notification bells. That way you'll be notified anytime I post future content. The average woman will use and throw away up to 14,000 tampons or pads in a lifetime. Discarded products, packaging, and applicators add up to around 300 pounds of waste sitting in landfills and ocean per woman. So I asked a question about menstrual cup on Telemam Tim, a famous Ghanaian Facebook women group, and I got these. About 90% haven't heard about it, and even if they have, they are scared to use it because nothing is supposed to enter the yoni. So what is menstrual cup? Is it a normal cup that we can drink from? No. Menstrual cup, so that means you use it when you are menstruating, right? A menstrual cup is a small bell-shaped cup that a person can insert, a woman can insert into their vagina to collect menstrual blood during period. A woman of any age can use it, including virgins. But if in this 21st century you are still worried about the stigmatization of breaking your hymen because you are bleeding, and this cup isn't for you. They are made up of medical grade silicone, rubber, or plastic, and are usually reusable. People simply empty the cup, wash it with water alone or with soap, and insert it again. Other popular brands may include Luna Cup, Diva Cup, Moon Cup, etc. Some brands are disposable, so a person can throw them away after each use. A person can wear a reusable cup for up to 6 to 12 hours before it needs to be removed and washed. Sorry. Anyone with a heavier menstrual flow may need to empty their cup more frequently. So then, before the use of tampons and pads, what did our ancestors use? The ancient Egyptians used softened papyrus as tampons. So even before the beginning of civilization, tampons were being used. Meanwhile, the ancient Greeks fashioned tampons from bits of wood with length wrapped around. They also used these for contraception. The Romans wore pads and tampons made of wool. Menstrual cups have also been in use for ages. First, let's take a look at some few benefits. 1. They are economical because one cup can last for 5 to 10 years. Yes, one tampon lasts for less than 8 hours. They also provide you with comfort because you can leave it in your yoni for up to 12 hours. I do leave it for more than 12 hours because hey, sometimes you forget you're in your cycle. You wake up in the morning, you take your shower, you rush to work, and you forget you are on your cycle. So sometimes it happens. But then wherever there is water or wherever there is a bathroom, you can remove it, empty the cup, then reinsert it by washing it, or if there is no water, you can dry it with a tissue. Third, less cramps is all we want during our cycle, right? And this being soft in your cervix, closing, opening, it gives you comfort, as I said earlier, but then it also helps reduce menstrual cramps. I'm not leaving this from it. Less mess. No need to check if you have a leak because when inserted properly, the cup should not leak or spill. And a person can wear one while working out, swimming, showering. Some brands even report that their cups are safe and comfortable to wear during sex. Who doesn't want that? I know women, we are honey when we are on our menses. It's natural. It is also eco-friendly because you are not throwing away any plastic or used tampons and pads. No environmental degradation, no toxic shock syndrome either. What is it? It is an infection that is sometimes developed after prolonged use of tampons, and when we use cups, no need to have toxic shock syndrome, TSS. Now, how to insert and use menstrual. There are two main parts of menstrual cups: the cup and the thin stem at the bottom to make removal easier. Before using a cup for the first time, it is important to read the direction on the packaging carefully and wash or sterilize in boiling water accordingly. It is best to wash the hands well with soap and water before inserting or removing a menstrual cup. After emptying the cup, wash with cold water and mild soap to prevent staining, or pat it dry with tissue if there is no water. And after cycle, sterilize in a boiling water and store in a safe place for your next cycle. Now, let's go to the disadvantages. Inserting and removing a menstrual cup can be messy with a person if first using one. Some people feel squeamish or uncomfortable about their menstrual blood. I know, I used to, because it had odor and smells. But when you see menstrual cup, you do not go through that. You do not smell things. So it is also an advantage. But the disadvantage is if you are scared of your blood, then you wouldn't want to. Using the wrong size can also make it uncomfortable. Well, I still use an S even though I had a vaginal bed. And my secret being Kegels and Unisteam. If you haven't watched my videos on Unisteam, you can do that by checking the link here. In addition, a person with heavy flow who frequently get clots in their menstrual blood may experience some leaks. How to insert a menstrual cup. To insert it, fold the top of the cup and push it into the vagina or yoni, aiming it towards the lower back. Some people find insertion easier when they are squatting. Others prefer to be standing, sometimes with one foot raised on the edge of the bathtub if you have, for example. If you are in Italy or in any European country, the bidet is your friend. You can just sit on it, relax by breathing in and breathing out. Just let go of any tense muscle. Folding the cup correctly can seem complicated at first, but there are several methods to try. Some of the more popular fold include C fold or U fold. Press the side of the cup together so that from the top it resembles a long oval. Fold the cup in half so it looks like the letters C or U. The punch down fold. Put a finger on the top rim of the cup and push it into the center of the cup near the base, forming a triangle. 7 fold. Press the side of the cup together so that from the top it resembles a long oval. Fold one side down diagonally so it looks like the number 7. Once the rim of the cup is in, continue to push the cup into the vagina until the entire cup and stem are inside. The cup should pop open, preventing any menstrual blood from leaking. To ensure this, hold the cup by the base, not the stem, and turn it 1 full cycle or 360 degrees. Some people run their finger along the rim of the cup to ensure that it is in the right place or has opened correctly. When it is in the right place, most people cannot feel it and can forget that it is there. The cup does have holes. With each use, make sure that the holes are clean or else there is going to be a leak. This brings us to the end of this video. Every link and discount code will be left in the description box. If you want to try a menstrual cup, like, share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment below about why you want to give it a try. Medase. Thank you.